Good morning, everybody. It's NJT Track Guy. Today is January 23rd, 2015. And I am now back from my really long break for another World Trade Center update. First of 2015. Before I get started, I hope that everybody had a good happy holiday and a good happy new year. And yep, I'm back once again. I know I've been gone for quite a while. It's been about 5 months. That's the longest I've ever been away. And I've just been really caught up with work. Ever since I graduated from college, it's just, the work has just been piling on me. But yep, I'm here again. I didn't forget about you guys. Work's just really been piling on me. But here I am again. So yeah, before I get started, I just hope everybody had a very happy holiday and a happy new year. Well, here we are again. 1 World Trade Center, 7 World Trade Center, and 4 World Trade Center. All looking amazing. 1 World Trade Center is open. It's not open to the public, but it's open. What a true beauty. There is 4 World Trade Center. And you know what? I heard that 3 World Trade Center is going to continue. After about 2 years on hold, it's finally going to start up. It's going to be right next to Tower 4, right in this gap here. And it will be 80 stories. Well, after 5 months, I'm pretty sure there is a lot to see. So, let's go check it out. Yep, there just again. Tower 3 will soon start to appear in this gap. South End Avenue and Liberty Street. 4 World Trade Center. And 1 World Trade Center. Oh wow, it's been such a long time. It's great to be back. Oh, and look right there. I can see Tower 3 a little bit. The construction has finally restarted on Tower 3. Wow. I can't wait to see it. It's going to be right here next to 4. Now we got to see what Tower 2 is doing. Liberty Street and West Street. Here they are again. I don't see any new steel on Tower 3, but the concrete core is rising. The transit hub looks almost done. Street and Albany Street. 1 and 7 World Trade Center. Freedom Tower. Washington Street. Here's 173, the Transit Hub and 4 World Trade Center. This Greenwich Street, 1, 7, and 4 World Trade Center again. And there's something new right here also. Alright, I'm inside the memorial. Here's Tower 3. You see, the new work has started. There's Freedom Tower.